In this video, we're going to take a look at how to divide mixed numbers by fractions. So sometimes when we see a mixed number and we're multiplying or dividing, our instinct is just to multiply and divide the fractions and multiply and divide the whole numbers, but that is not going to work. So instead, what we want to do is take this mixed number and first turn it into an improper fraction. So remember, to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, we multiply this whole number by the denominator, so 2 times 5, which is 10, and then we add the numerator, so 10 plus 1 is 11, and then our denominator does not change, so 2 1/5 is the same as 11/5. So that's just how we write that mixed number as an improper fraction. Now that we've got that, we can do the rest the same as we always do, so we're going to take 3/4 and change that to its reciprocal, which is 4/3, and we are going to change our division sign to a multiplication sign. Okay, we'll see if we can simplify anything, but in this case we actually cannot simplify anything. Okay, 11, 3, and 5 are all prime numbers, and 4 does not share any factors with 5 or 3. So we'll go ahead and multiply 11 times 4, which is 44, and 5 times 3, which is 15. And then, of course, our last step is just to divide so that we can turn it back into a mixed number. So in that case, we'd have 44 divided by 15. And 15 goes into 44 2 times. That would be 30. Oops. And 44 minus 30 is 14. So our final answer, if I could fit it, is 2 14/15. Let's go ahead and do another example. Alright, let's do 2 4/9 divided by 5/6. So that's 2 4/9 divided by 5/6. Alright, now go ahead and see if you can do this one on your own if you want. So you can pause the video, wait, try to solve it, and then watch and see if you got it right. Kind of just like being in class. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and solve it. So first, again, we want to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. So we're going to take 2 4/9. We'll take 2 and multiply it by 9, which is 18. We'll add the numerator of 4. So 18 plus 4 is 22. And our denominator stays the same as 9. Okay, now instead of dividing, we are multiplying. And instead of 5/6, the reciprocal of that would be 6/5. Alright, and in this case we can simplify beforehand. So 9 and 6, hopefully we all see that we can divide those both by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now we've got 22 times 2, which is 44, and 3 times 5, which is 15. Now, you may notice that's actually the exact same answer we got last time. So 2 4/9 divided by 5/6 in this case, right? If we were to divide again, we would get 2 14/15. That's funny that they ended up both having the same answer. Alright, so that is how you can divide a mixed number by a fraction.